Input property and input decorator. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is input property of a component, what is the use of input decorator, simple example program to understand this. Input property of a component is used to get the data from the parent component when the components are nested. If any property of the component decorate with input decorator, then it becomes the input property. For example, parent message is a property of the component and its type is string. If you want to make it as input property, you have to prefix that with at input decorator. If you want to give any alias name, that we can give it within the parenthesis of input decorator. Okay, suppose if you want to use this input decorator, you should import input decorator from Angular core package into the component. Parent component should use this property with the child component when it is used in template of the parent component template. For example, we need to use it as a child component name. Within the brackets, we need to use that input decorator is equal to. Within the double quotes, we should give the value from the parent component class. If any changes happens to this specific data in parent component, that value automatically update in the input property of the child component. Okay, let us try to understand all this with simple example program. Okay, this is the simple application which was created. Okay, let me here app component is created and this is the app module. Let me create one component. Let me give that name as message component. A message component is created. If you want to use that, you have to use this selector. Okay, let me use that in app component. Okay, let me to simplify this, let me delete all the data. Okay, now I have used this message component within that app component. Now app component becomes the parent component and the message component becomes the child component of app component. Okay, if I want to pass some data from app component to the message component, then we should create one input property within message component. Let us create that. Okay, to create the input property, first we need to import it from Angular core. Okay, let me create decorate. Let me give the property name as parent message. Type is a string. We can use any type of parameter to pass the data from parent message to parent component to child component. For simplification, I'm using the string any type, employee details, employee list, anything we can pass it from parent component to child component. Okay, I want to use this message within the template of child component. Let me put it here. Okay, I'm just displaying the text which is coming from the parent component. Okay, now I have created input property in message component. Okay, if I want to use this component within the parent component, I should use that input property as property binding. Okay, let me copy that. Okay, here we can pass the value from the component class. Okay, let me open this component class. Let me create one variable which is string. Let me pass some text here, for example John. Save it. This one we need to pass it to. Let me save it. Okay, all done. Let us try to execute this. Yeah, compiled successfully. Let us see the output here. Yeah, we can see that John is displaying within the child component, but actually that value coming from the parent component. This is the way we can use the input property. Okay, here parent message property can be aliased by using that alias name. Let me give that alias name. Let me put some MSG. Okay, this we can use it in a parent component. Let me save it and see the output. Yeah, same came. This is the way we can use the input property to pass the data from uh, parent component to child component. Thank you.